Hi, welcome to Norton Support. This video shows you how to install Norton on an additional device. Please note that this feature may not be available in some of the Norton services. Open Norton. If you see the My Norton window, in the Device Security row, click Open. In the Norton Product main window, click the Install on Another Device link and enter an email address to which you want to receive the download link. Click the Send icon. Go to the device on which you want to install Norton and open the email that you receive from Norton. In the email, click the Download Now button. Click the Agree and Download button. The Norton Download Manager is downloaded to your device. Now you must execute it. The Norton Download Manager begins to download the Norton product that is suitable for your device. If the user control window appears, click Yes. Click Install. Your Norton service installation will be completed in a few minutes. There you go. You have successfully installed Norton on an additional device. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit support.norton.com.